Good morning, students. Today we have to start question 6 of 11.4. A milk tank is in a form of cylinder whose radius is given and length, that is height, is given. We have to find the quantity of milk, that is volume, but in liters, that can be stored in the tank. Now you see, radius is given to be 1.5 meter and height, that is length, is also given 7 meter. So we can easily find volume of cylinder, that how much milk it can contain, that is pi r square h. Why? Because cylinder is the this shape. Okay, so area of this circle and height, volume depends on area of this circle, that is pi r square, and this height, that is h. So volume will be pi r square h, that we have done in earlier video also. So put the values now. You will get 22 by 7 r square, 1.5 into 1.5, and h, that is 7. It will cancel 22. Now instead of 1.5, take 15. 15s are 225, and after point 2 digits are there, so place the point here, and on multiplying this you will get 49.5 meter cube. Volume is in cubic, so meter cube. Now we have to convert this into liters. So we know 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, and our volume is 49.5 meter cube is equal to 49.5 into 1000. When you will multiply 495 by 1000, you will get 495,000 and place point here. So this will be our answer in liter. Therefore, required, we will write required quantity, what they have asked, required quantity of milk in liters in tank is equal to 49500 liters. Is it clear? Now question number 7. If each edge of cube is doubled, how many times will its surface area will increase, total surface area, and how many times will its volume increase? So see, I have drawn two cubes. Let the edge of this cube be L. So the edge of this, it is double, so this will be 2L. Now we know that surface area, first they want how many times the surface area will increase. So what you will write, that surface area of cube, we already know cube has 6 faces, so 6L square. Now surface, when if edge is doubled, okay, now when the edge is doubled, now surface area of cube is equal to 6. In place of L, now it is 2L, so place here 2L square. Now when you will 2 2s are 4 L square. So if I place 4 first and then 6L square, this is the surface area of our this smaller cube. This means surface, therefore surface area will increase how many times? 4, increase 4 times if edge is doubled. Is it clear? And in second part, what they have, this is the first part about surface area. Now we have to do volume. Now volume of cube, if the edge is L, we know it is L cube. If edge is doubled, so when it is doubled, then volume is equal to, in place of L we will write 2L whole cube. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8L cube. What is L? This is previous volume. Therefore, what we find, that volume will increase 8 times. Increase 8 times when, if edge is डबल्ड, कि अगर हम किसी क्यूब की एज को, लेंथ को डबल करते हैं तो सरफेस एरिया 4 टाइम्स और वॉल्यूम 8 टाइम्स इंक्रीज हो जाता है. Now question number 8, that is last question of this unit. Water is pouring into cuboidal reservoir. This is a cuboid shaped reservoir, a tank you can say, at the rate of 60 liter per minute. In 1 minute 60 liter water is being poured. If the volume of reservoir, this whole reservoir volume is 108 meter cube and this is liter. This is the main difference. Find the number of hours will it take to fill the reservoirs. First we will convert the units to make it similar. Now see, volume of cuboidal reservoir is 108 meter cube, or if we multiply with 1000, we have already done 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So when we will multiply by 1000, we will be able to convert into liters. Now volume is in liters. Now how much time we have to find out? So time taken to fill 60 liters of water, 60 liter water, how much time is required? They have given 1 minute. So time taken to fill, our tank is of capacity 108,000 liter water. How much time will be needed? Divide by 60. Okay, so 10 will cancel, and when you will divide it, you will get 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. So 1800. Okay, so our answer is 1800 minutes. But we have to convert into hours. Therefore, divide the minutes by 60. So 6 3s are 18. So you will get 30 hours. So how much time is needed to fill a tank? 30 hours are needed to fill this tank. That's all for today. Thank you.